All right, welcome to the new tutorial of Expert Level of Formatting and Navigation 1. So let's start with Shortcut 1. Ever wish you could scroll through two parts of the same sheet at once? Press Alt, W, S to split your worksheet into separate panes. Great for comparing top and bottom rows or different sections of a large data set. Now let's talk about workbook visibility. Too many files open and want to hide one temporarily? Press Alt, W, H to hide the current workbook without closing it. Keeps your workspace cleaner. Let's bring it back now. If you've hidden a workbook and need it again, use Alt, W, U. It shows a list of hidden files and lets you restore them instantly. Time for some powerful formatting tricks. Want to color cells based on rules like highlighting all sales over $1,000? Use Alt, H, L to access conditional formatting options fast. Arrow through the styles to apply logic-driven highlights. Let's switch plain ranges to tables. Want your data to look polished with headers, filter buttons, and banded rows? Use Alt, H, T to format a selected range into an Excel table. Now let's play with cell styling. Need to apply preset styles like headings or totals? Use Alt, H, J to explore Excel's built-in cell styles, saves time on manual formatting. Let's add protection to your data. Before protecting a sheet, lock specific cells with Alt, H, O, L. This ensures only those parts are secure when sheet protection is turned on. Let's keep headers visible. Working with lots of data? Use Alt, W, F, R. 2. Freeze the top row so your headers stay visible while scrolling. Now freeze the side headers. Need to scroll sideways but keep labels in view? Press Alt, W, F, C to freeze the first column perfect for wide tables. Want to freeze a custom header row instead? Select any row. Then press Alt, W, F, F to freeze it. Great when your headers aren't in the very first row. Let's find all highlighted cells. Need to review which cells have conditional formatting? Use Alt, H, F, D, C to highlight and audit all conditionally formatted cells. Let's check comments next. Reviewing notes or feedback? Press Alt, R, V. 2. Jump to the previous comment in your sheet. Now move forward through the thread. Use Alt, R, N. 2. Go to the next comment handy when reviewing feedback loops or team edits. Let's deal with external links. If a cell pulls data from another file, select the cell and press Alt, A, K to view the external link. Great for diagnosing issues or mapping dependencies. Want to remove those links? To remove a dependency on another file, select the cell and use Alt, A, K, B. 2. Break the link. Use with caution, changes become permanent. Let's end with autofill magic. Want to autofill a list like days or months? Use Alt, H, F, I. Then arrow through the options to add a smart series works for both rows and columns. That's all for now. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.